Once upon a time, in a bright little town, lived a boy named Leo. Leo was a great kid, but he had one tiny problem. He sometimes borrowed trouble by telling little white lies. One sunny afternoon, Leo was playing with his dad's favorite model airplane. Whoosh! He sent it flying across the room, but instead of a smooth landing, it crashed right into a vase of flowers. Water and petals went everywhere, and the plane's wing was bent. Oh no, Leo thought. When his dad came in and asked, "Leo, what happened here?" Leo's heart beat fast. Instead of telling the truth, he said, "The cat did it." A big, sneaky cat jumped through the window and knocked everything over. His dad looked puzzled. "A cat? We don't have a cat, and the window is closed." Leo's first little lie was already starting to wobble. To cover it up, he added, "Oh, well, it was a super fast cat. It opened the window and closed it on its way out." The next day, Leo's teacher asked if he had finished his homework drawing. Leo had forgotten all about it. So, he borrowed a little more trouble. "My dog ate it," he declared. His teacher raised an eyebrow. "Leo, you told me last week your dog only eats his special dog food." The lies were piling up, and Leo felt like he was carrying a giant, wobbly stack of books. Each lie was another heavy book, and he was struggling to keep them from crashing down. He couldn't look his dad or his teacher in the eye. That night, Leo couldn't sleep. The weight of his fibs felt heavy on his chest. He crept into his parents' room and woke his dad. With tears in his eyes, he confessed everything: the broken plane, the forgotten homework, all of it. His dad listened quietly and then gave him a warm hug. "Leo," he said softly, "the truth might be hard sometimes, but it's always lighter to carry than a lie. A single truth is stronger than 1,000 lies." Leo felt a huge weight lift off his shoulders. The next day, he apologized to his teacher and promised to do his homework. He even helped his dad fix the model airplane. It wasn't easy, but telling the truth felt so much better. From that day on, Leo learned that honesty was the best policy. He stopped borrowing trouble and started building trust instead, one truth at a time. And he lived much more happily and honestly ever after. Thanks for watching our story. If you want to hear more fun tales, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.